What's going on, everybody? It's just another day in the kitchen, back with another episode, and today we're taking a look at the Crenshaw Skate Club Nike SB Dunklows. These cool sneakers have a little bit of controversy surrounding them right now because they leaked very early, and Nike SB themselves had something to say about it, so that's why I'm making this video. As you can see from this comment, they're not happy that basically the brand themselves were not able to tell their story because it is a pretty dope one, and this is the brand themselves, Private Selection, that leaked it. And in just a moment, you're going to see the creator of Crenshaw share his story.
Where did you come up with the idea to start the Crenshaw Skate Club?
When I looked at skate videos, skate magazines, I never really saw people who looked like me and my friends. So I wanted to create Crenshaw Skate Club as something that me and my friends could have to represent us in the skate industry. So, and that's that was the origin of the brand.
Now, like I mentioned, I definitely understand why Nike SB is upset and afraid that the leakers have kind of ruined the chance for the Crenshaw Skate Club to share their story, and that's kind of why I wanted to make this video, to share their story in general. When I went to their Instagram page, I was kind of shocked to see that the brand's only been around since 2017, given that they've made such crazy moves, and honestly, it was really refreshing to scroll through and see a really big DIY homegrown brand. All of this stuff really resonates with myself because I grew up skateboarding and watching MTV and shows like Viva La Bam, and to my surprise, they were even collabing with the likes of Ice Cream, Lacoste, and other brands like you'll see here in just a moment. I can only imagine what it's like to kind of finally fit into a niche in a community where you're accepted, and then to have people actually ride for you, and for that to be acknowledged. So kudos to them, and I think it's really important to give them their flowers, so make sure you guys check them out and you definitely follow them. Now, like I said, they have some pretty crazy collaborations, and I saw that they even recently collaborated with the LA Clippers, which is insane. How many people can say that they have a brand with an NBA team? And my personal favorite right here is Lacoste, which I think is so sick because that's a brand that I've seen Supreme collaborate with a lot of times, and it's really a staple in streetwear, so let me know who else you'd like to see them collaborate with. Now, back to the actual dunks themselves, I personally really dig the color palette, and as a Florida boy, anytime I see some blues and greens, you know I'm all over it. I think it's really sick that they were able to add their own touch, and honestly, while I was going through their merchandise, I can see where this sole pattern right here in design is definitely influenced by it. And again, definitely check out their Instagram where you can see more of those pieces and kind of get a feel of how their whole vibe is. Now, one thing I wanted to point out is while some people online have been kind of talking about a fatigue when it comes to dunks and just Nike SBs in general, personally, I love a great collaboration, especially one that showcases a really dope story, so these really speak to me. Now, next up on the tongue, we can see we do have some embroidering of the Crenshaw Skate Club logo, which I think is pretty sick. Again, I love to see a little custom spin anytime we have a collaboration. And we also get a sneak peek at some of the different lace options that we're getting. It does look like we are getting the standard green, you can say, that's coming with it that matches the color palette, as well as those yellow laces. And there's also a kind of maroon color or burgundy that I did see featured as well. So let me know which color laces you guys would rock. And personally, I can tell if I could get my hands on these are going straight to the toe. Now, like I mentioned, there is some controversy online surrounding these and kind of the ethics behind sneaker resellers kind of leaking these photos early. Again, Nike SB is not happy that they believe that the brand's basically not going to be able to share their own story. And let me know in the comments if you do agree with that. Now, the only other thing I wanted to mention is that the main leaker right here mentioned that the paint does rub away to reveal something underneath. So that might be worth knowing before you kind of get your hands on these. But again, this is just a quick little recap on the Crenshaw Skate Club Nike SB Dunklows that have an expected release date of October of this year. Personally, I love the message behind them. I hope I was able to kind of share the history and make you more excited for them. I don't think that the leak necessarily takes away from the hype, especially when you know kind of the background of the creator, the story of the Crenshaw Skate Club, the fact that, you know, they've been kind of pushing it. It honestly makes me more excited for these, honestly, and I'm kind of excited. So I hope that, you know, you take a look at their Instagram, give them a follow. I hope that you can support them. And let me know what you guys think of this video. Good luck, of course, when they do drop. And thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe And thanks for cooking with the kitchen. Peace.